All right, fifth graders, we are going to be working on the place value section method of division. I'm going to model and show you the steps of a couple problems in your math student workbooks. I would like you to write down these steps on page 11 in your workbook as we go, so that way you can pause the video if you need more time, and this is going to be your assignment. When you're done watching the video, you will then choose one problem to do independently on your own. So we're going to start by writing the problem out, 6,422 divided by 2. We're doing this problem right here. So I am going to draw that, or write that out, draw it because I'm on my computer, divided by 2. 6,422 is my divisor and 2 is my dividend. So I have to figure out how many groups of 2 can fit inside 6,422. So I'm going to make my place value sections method. And since I'm in the thousands place and 2 is such a tiny number, I'm going to have groups of 1,000. It's going to be possible for me. So I'm going to make 4 sections today. We're going to have our thousands place, which has 3 zeros. Our hundreds place, which has 2 zeros. Our tens place, which has 1 zero. And our ones place does not have any zeros because it's not a group of 10. So I'm going to start by thinking how many thousands can get me closest to 6,422. Well, I have to know my 2's facts. 2, which are pretty easy, 4, 6, 8. I'm counting by 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well, 6,000, I'm just going to pretend it's 6. I have to do it times 3 to get to 6,000. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 6,422 minus 6,000. I couldn't do another group of 1,000 because if I did, I would be at 8,000, which is too much. What leaves me with a remaining amount to divide of 422, which then becomes the subject of my next box, 422. Now I'm going to do how many hundreds of groups of 2 can fit into 422. So I know that 2 times 2 is 4, so 2 times 200 will be 400, which leaves me with a remainder of 22. And 2 times what gets me closest to 22? Well, 2 times 10 gives me 20. Now my last box is super easy because all I have left is how many times does 2 go into 2? 2 goes into 2 one time, and I subtract, and that leaves me with nothing left to divide. I have 0 remainder, which means that this number goes in evenly. If I look at my divisibility rules as well, I would notice the last group or last number or the last digit is an even number so that I know that it is divisible by 2. So now I can add up these expanded forms of this number to come up with my answer. So the answer to 6,422 divided by 2 is 3,211. If I wanted to check my answer, I could always multiply on the side and see if I come up with 6,422 when I multiply by 2. And I do. So this is correct. This is my correct answer. Now your job is to pick one problem to do on your own. If you listened carefully to this video, there is a secret word at the end of this video that I'm going to share with those of you who actually had the integrity to do the right thing. And the secret word is going to be starburst. So those of you that listen to this in video and in its entirety have earned 5 starbursts. There you go. All right, now do your problems so you can actually earn those 5 starbursts. Good work today.